Hi all, I am Gujin Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Git installation using it with the command line. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, like how you can download. Okay, it's free site. You can visit this site and you can go and download Git. Okay, so here you can download. Fine. Now using Git with a command line. Version I have already Git -in version. How you will configure it? Like you will tell na that this is my name is this, my email ID is this, to tell the Git. Okay. So how you will write Git config -in global user dot name is now in quotes you will give your name. User dot email you have to do to give email. The full line you have to give, and then you will get to know that you are using this. Okay, now to make a folder or you can make a directory, what command you have to use? This all commands are also in the interviews, so be prepared for this. Okay, mkdir and then project name, and to move to this directory so that we can do anything inside this directory, you have to do cd my project, the directory project name you have to put. Okay, now change to cd is changed to the current working directory. Okay, now how to initialize it? Okay, but I'm telling you, go inside the directory and then you write git init to initialize the empty git repository. Okay, now there in the missing part of the command to check which version it is. So which version? Hyphen version, and now you will submit the answer and now click show. So like this answer. So these are important command, very important command. So git hyphen version. Second is to like tell, okay, your name and email. Git config hyphen global user dot name user dot email. Okay, and you have to create git folder, make mk directory claim dir and then directory name, then move to that, change to the directory. So cd directory name and git init for initializing the directory. Okay, this is a very main, these are always asked in interview, so please go through it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please give a like and please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please do comment. Thank you. Bye bye.